Outstanding design defines the 2007 Saturn Sky. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.